tool is used to create concept maps. It cannot be used online, it needs to be downloaded from the website. And you may simply click here on downloads and choose the version you need. I recommend that you visit the page called Learn About Concept Maps and that you follow one of the itineraries, learning to build concept maps if you've never done it before, or learning to build concept maps for teachers if you have done it before, to understand the concept of linking words and propositions. Basically, if you've never done it before, different concepts are linked by a linking word, and together they form a proposition. We all know, for example, that concept maps have proved to be quite useful to boost student skills and understanding in CLIL classes. So now I'm going to show you how the software looks like once you've downloaded it and how you can use it successfully in one of your CLIL classrooms. So once you open Cmap, it's going to look like this. You're going to have a range of different options: file, modify, format, collaborate, tools, and then guide. Okay. You can either download a pre-existing map, as I did, and then modify it. For example, this is a map on the concept of learning. And here, with the modify option, you're going to be able to change what is written inside the different cells and also change the descriptors of the linking words here. Then you have a second option. If you're looking for a particular subject, we mentioned CLIL before, so let's imagine you are teaching CLIL, history and literature of the Romantic age. So by clicking on tools here, you have the option search. By clicking on search, you can search for the word romanticism. And the system is going to upload all the existing maps on the subject. Now, for example, I've decided to open the first map. That is a map about the Romantic age, and this is clearly about the English Romanticism. So basically, you may decide to use this format. For example, here it says the Romantic age, then it gives you the dates. So if you're studying in a CLIL project a different type of Romanticism in English, for example, Italian Romanticism or French Romanticism, or just Romanticism as a movement in general, in all types of arts, visual and written, you may click here and change the dates, for example, or provide different boxes with different ages for the different types of Romantic ages. Then again, the first descriptor, the first linking word is main features, and main feature again may be used and you just have to decide whether the main features of the Romantic age in England is the same as the Romantic age you're studying in your CLIL project. And so here you can click and change whatever you need to change. You also have the option of building a Cmap from scratch. Now, if you want to build a Cmap from scratch, you click on File and you click on New Cmap. And here, what happens is very easy. You double click to create a new concept. And this is the concept icon, and then you simply write the word inside it. In this case, romantic movement. Then you click on the arrow and you place it where you want it to go. And here, this box here, that is for the descriptor, that is for the linking word. And already, if you decide to create this Cmap with your students, or maybe have your students divided into groups, create different Cmaps, Thinking about the descriptor is already a good exercise in logical thinking and creating connections between one concept and another. So you can decide to start by creating the different concepts and then ask your students to provide meaningful linking words, or you can give them more freedom and leave them free to decide their own linking words. For example, in this case, if we want to create different concept boxes for artistic, literary, musical, intellectual, movement, the linking word that makes the most sense is simply the verb was. Then again, I can create different boxes by saying artistic, literary, intellectual movement, and then I can move from there and create a map like the one you saw before. Of course, these are just some of the many functions that this software offers. So I invite you to take a look at it and to watch the tutorials to understand how you can use it to the fullest. I hope this video was useful, and you can find many ways of using Cmaps in your classroom to create meaningful mind maps.